Welcome to the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in titanium rush metallic. This truck is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the AT4, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push to start ignition, dual zone climate control, shifter and integrated trailer braking are in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Sierra, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4 badges on the doors, gloss black mirror caps with LEDs, 6.2-liter V8 plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, AT4 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Side steps are installed. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Tonneau bed cover is also installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into both sides of the bumper, twin chrome tipped exhaust, towing packages installed. AT4 Sierra and GMC badging can all be found here on the MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4, back seats here have in-seat storage. They are also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the truck, and here in the center console we have two cup holders, the heated seats controls, and two USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.